Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I am Ana Marie Banogan Bachansila. I'm 43 years old. I am married. I have two daughters, 20 and 22 years old. I am a college student with a course of Bachelor of Business Administration.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you
I
have?
have one brother and one sister.
And then what is your number of the siblings?
I am the oldest in the family.
Okay, so when you work in Middle East,
I worked before in Saudi.
for how many years?
I worked for almost 6 years in Saudi. I work twin, 2 years old, and a 16 years old, and a two elderly, 60 and 65 years old.
Okay, so only one employer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you do all the household chores in Saudi?
Yes, sir.
So you have another work in Kuwait, right?
I also work in Kuwait for almost 6 years also. I take care of a newborn baby, a 3 years old, 5 years old, and 11 years old.
Okay, so you do all the household chores also?
Yes, sir, I do.
So in Saudi, you're the only one maid?
Yes, sir, I'm the only one maid.
How about in Kuwait?
Same, sir, only one maid, sir.
So, okay. In Hong Kong, if there's a newborn baby with the employer, are you willing to take care?
Yes, sir, I am willing to take care of the baby.
So, what will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, sir, I will check the diaper. If it's wet, I will change it. If the baby did not stop crying, I will feed the baby. Then if I will sing a song for the baby. Then if he or she doesn't stop crying, I'll check the temperature.
Okay. So, do you know how to shower the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare lukewarm water, soap, and a towel. Then I will take care of the mouth, eyes, nose, and ears, so that the water will not spill.
Okay. So, if the baby or children is sick, what will you do?
I will immediately tell my employer, first check the temperature, then tell my employer about the situation of the baby.
Okay. So, when you work in Hong Kong, you can feel homesick. How can you avoid it?
I will just treat my employer as my family, and I will think that my baby needs money for their studies.
Okay. So, if in Hong Kong, if the children is very naughty, do you have a little patience for them?
Yes, sir. I will sing a song for them. If not, I will play for them, and I have all my patience for the baby, so that they will also treat me as a family.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong so that I can provide for my family, especially for my two girls, so that they can finish their studies.
Okay. When you work there, who will take care of your daughters?
My parents will take care of my daughters, sir.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir, because I have cats and dogs in my house.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir, I don't have.
So you eat everything?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. So you have any medication or operation?
No, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes, sir.
Where is your tattoo?
On my shoulders, sir, both sides.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, if ever there is an elder person in the house, are you willing to take care?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the employer wants you to car the wash without extra pay, it's okay?
I am willing to work, sir.
Okay. If the employer will, can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me. I am honest, cheerful, and helpful worker. I can work under pressure. I can finish my 2 years contract. I can treat my. I will follow and learn my instructions.
Okay. What can you describe about yourself, your personality?
I am happy. I am generous.
Do you know how you love cooking?
Yes, sir, I do, sir.
So when you cook, can you rate yourself good or excellent?
In Filipino, sir, yes, I can cook excellent, but I will try and willing to cook the Chinese foods.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Thank